Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza drawing. Begin by drawing a confident large circle for the crust, then place a slightly smaller inner circle for sauce. Lightly sketch radial guidelines to divide the pie into equal slices. Keep your hand relaxed and use simple shapes for now. These basic steps set up the entire composition so toppings and shading will sit correctly and look delicious on your page. Draw toppings by placing varied circles and ovals for pepperoni, mushrooms, and peppers, spacing them naturally. Suggest melted cheese with short curved strokes that connect toppings to the sauce area. Add texture to the crust with tiny scalloped marks and light cross-hatching on the edge. Change line weight to make foreground toppings pop and background elements recede, giving your pizza depth and a mouth-watering handmade appearance on the page. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful tutorials. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading reference books or carrying sketch inspiration anywhere. It feels light and handy when you need visual ideas. I find it perfect for flipping through concept art before drawing. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Choose a clear light direction before adding shadows and highlights for consistent shading. Darken the underside of the crust and add soft shadows beneath toppings to lift them off the surface. Layer warm reds and oranges for sauce, with darker baked spots on the cheese using small stipples. Finish with subtle highlights on oily or glossy toppings so the pizza reads as fresh and three-dimensional in your drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.